Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to talk about one of the most powerful and transformative tools in the world of industrial maintenance, predictive analytics. If you've ever wondered how some companies manage to anticipate failures before they happen, reduce downtime and improve the efficiency of their operations, the answer lies in predictive analytics. So, if you're ready to learn how you can apply this technology in your business, let's get started. In this video, we will see how it works, what benefits it offers, and how you can start implementing it in your maintenance strategy. Predictive analytics is the use of historical and current data, along with statistical and machine learning techniques, to predict future events. In the case of industrial maintenance, this means anticipating when equipment might fail based on data patterns such as vibration, temperature, energy usage, and other critical factors. Imagine you have sensors installed on your equipment that are constantly capturing data. With predictive analytics, you can identify patterns in that data that precede a failure, allowing you to intervene before a problem occurs. The process of predictive analytics starts with data collection. IoT sensors in your equipment monitor key variables such as vibration, temperature, pressure, power consumption, etc. That data is then processed and analyzed by machine learning algorithms, which look for patterns that indicate when equipment might be at risk of failure. Once the algorithm has identified these patterns, it can predict how likely equipment is to fail in the near future. This gives you a window of time to act before failure occurs, allowing you to plan maintenance efficiently and avoid costly downtime. The benefits of predictive analytics are enormous. By anticipating problems before they occur, you can reduce unplanned downtime, which translates into greater operational efficiency. You can also save on repair costs by performing maintenance only when necessary, rather than following fixed schedules that can be inefficient. Companies that have implemented predictive analytics have recorded up to a 30% reduction in equipment failures and a 20% increase in productivity. In addition, maintenance cost savings can be as high as 25%, making predictive analytics a quick return on investment. There are several techniques that are fundamental to predictive analytics in industrial maintenance. Some of the most important include: regression allows us to identify relationships between different variables and predict when equipment might fail based on parameters such as temperature or vibration. Time series analysis uses historical data to predict when failures will occur based on trends over time. Anomaly detection helps us to identify unusual patterns in the data that may be an early sign of failure. These techniques combined with machine learning allow predictive models to become more accurate over time, constantly improving the ability to anticipate problems. To implement predictive analytics in your business, the first step is to make sure you are collecting the right data. IoT sensors must be installed on critical equipment, and that data must be stored and processed efficiently. Next, it's crucial to choose the right analytics tools and train your team in the use of predictive models. Once predictive models are in place, you can monitor equipment in real time and receive alerts when patterns are detected that indicate impending failure. This allows you to plan maintenance more strategically and reduce operating costs. Let's look at a practical example of a company that implemented predictive analytics in its industrial plant. Before using this technology, they were experiencing unforeseen failures that caused production delays. After installing sensors and applying predictive modeling, they were able to reduce downtime by 35%, and maintenance costs were reduced by 20%. This is just one example of how predictive analytics and artificial intelligence can generate immediate and substantial benefits for any type of industry. As you have seen, predictive analytics has the potential to transform the way you manage the maintenance of your equipment. If you would like to learn more about how to implement this technology in your company, connect with me on LinkedIn. I'd be happy to help you take the next step towards operational optimization and fault reduction. Thanks for joining me for this session on predictive analytics. In the next video, we will delve into an introduction to machine learning, one of the key technologies behind advanced failure prediction. Don't miss it. See you in the next session.